There are seasons in life where silence replaces momentum, where fire fades, ambition sleeps, and the world forgets the name it once respected. People stop watching, they stop asking, they stop expecting, and in that silence, something dangerous forms. Not defeat, not surrender, but transformation. Many believe the story ends when progress stops. They mistake rest for collapse, distance for disappearance, and silence for failure. But warriors know better. Ashes are not the end of fire. They are the proof it existed, waiting for air, waiting for fuel, waiting for the moment to ignite again. There was a time when life felt heavy and movement lost rhythm, a time where consistency broke and doubt became louder than ambition, a time where even the mirror felt unfamiliar. But the thing about warriors is simple. Even in stillness, the spirit trains. Even in silence, the mind sharpens. Even in darkness, an identity rebuilds itself. Every scar, every disappointment, every setback, all of it became material. Material for a stronger version that is now emerging. Not rushed, not desperate, but intentional. Because comebacks aren't loud in the mirror. They're quiet, focused, controlled. There is a shift that happens once pain stops being a burden and becomes fuel. The shift begins with a single thought. The story isn't finished, not spoken for applause, not said for validation, just realized deeply. There's no need to announce it, no need to convince anyone, no need to justify the pause or the absence. Growth doesn't need witnesses. What happens next isn't motivated by comparison, revenge, or insecurity. It's driven by purpose. A purpose that was never meant to disappear, only evolve. This return won't look like the last attempt. The last attempt was emotional. This one is strategic. The last attempt needed motivation. This one is fueled by discipline. The last attempt relied on excitement. This one is built on consistency, even on cold, lifeless days. No chasing, no rushing, no drowning in expectations. Just commitment, steady and unbreakable. The body will be pushed. The mind will be hardened. Habits will be rebuilt, one brick at a time. Some days will feel heavy. Some progress will barely be visible. Some nights will test patience and resilience. But the return continues, not fast, not chaotic, but inevitable. Because something stronger than fear is driving it, identity. This isn't a comeback to reclaim who once existed. It's a comeback to unveil someone new, someone forged in silence, someone defined by scars, discipline, and clarity, someone unfazed by old distractions, old expectations, or old weakness. The world may not be watching, but that doesn't matter. No need to prove anything, no need to be understood, no need to be congratulated. The only requirement is to rise. Rise with discipline. Rise with consistency. Rise with patience. And step into the future with a presence that speaks louder than words. Every breath now has purpose. Every step has intention. Every choice either strengthens or weakens the path, and the path will not be weakened. The return is not emotional, it's inevitable. There's a quiet confidence that comes from rebuilding silently, a confidence that doesn't need praise, a confidence that doesn't need attention, a confidence earned, not spoken. One day, results will speak, the discipline will show, the transformation will be undeniable. People will look again. But their perception won't matter. Because this journey isn't about being seen, it's about becoming undeniable. The flame that once flickered is now steady, controlled, focused. The warrior that once faded into the shadows is stepping forward again, not as a memory of the past, but as a refined, evolved version. So let the world stay quiet. Let the doubt remain distance. Let the past stay buried. The comeback isn't a roar, it's a presence. A presence that says the work continues. The fire burns again, and the return has already begun. Because the warrior isn't hoping, the warrior isn't trying, the warrior isn't planning. The warrior is coming back, and nothing will stop what's already in motion. Until next time, keep working, keep grinding.